Without rushing, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. Tonight's theme is quiet, personal strength, and this session builds calm through repetition and pacing. Notice your hands resting more heavily while your breathing begins to steady. In this next moment, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. In this clearer state, notice a smooth quiet between one breath and the next. Breathe in for 4 and let the inhale smooth. Hold briefly, then breathe out for 6 and let the exhale steady. From here, notice a soft hush in the room around you. Allow your feet to relax. Notice your lower back easing into a more warm state. Notice your jaw easing into a more settled state. Let your hips become at ease. Notice your stomach easing into a more settled state. At your own pace, notice your body feeling more grounded overall. From here, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. As you continue, notice the feeling of your spine naturally lengthening. While you listen, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. While you listen, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. From this steadier posture, notice a stable weight through your feet and legs. In this next moment, notice a stable weight through your feet and legs. As you stay with this, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. In this next moment, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. In this clearer state, notice a soft hush in the room around you. In this next moment, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. At your own pace, notice a soft hush in the room around you. While you listen, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. From here, notice a stable weight through your feet and legs. From this steadier posture, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. From this steadier posture, notice a smooth quiet between one breath and the next. As you continue, notice the feeling of your spine naturally lengthening. As you continue, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. As you stay with this, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. Notice that you can stay connected to yourself even under pressure. As you think about quiet personal strength, notice that your internal pace is now balanced and your attention is balanced. As you continue, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. Settle, soften, stay present. From here, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. Notice voice can be calm and clear at the same time. Your boundaries can be respectful and firm. Without rushing, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. Without rushing, notice the feeling of your spine naturally lengthening. As you stay with this, notice a soft hush in the room around you. As you think about quiet personal strength, notice that your internal pace is now clear and your attention is anchored. In this clearer state, keep your breathing softly and your posture stable. Notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. Let the idea of quiet settle into your breathing as a calm, practical reference point. At your own pace, notice the feeling of your spine naturally lengthening. You arrive with a settled breath and a soft mind. You respond to quiet, personal strength with steady intention, not urgency. As you stay with this, you choose your next action with clarity instead of pressure. Use strength steady now as a private cue for calm precision. Without rushing, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. Without rushing, notice a smooth quiet between one breath and the next.